What's up, everybody? Today we're looking at the Prometheus Designworks SPD UFO. This is an OTF knife that I believe is recently released here, and I just picked this up in April 2024. Let's have a look inside the box here and see what we have. Be the outsider. So I saw this online and was smitten by the aesthetic qualities of the knife. And the specifications actually sounded pretty good as well. It's got a MagnaCut blade. So we've got a zipper pouch here. Let's see what we have inside. All right, looks like a polishing cloth. And here it is. A little bigger than I expected, but not by too much here. So this one was a gray color. I don't remember what it was called. They had a gray one. They had a blue one with clouds on it. They had a couple different G10 models. That was G10 on the front, and I do believe aluminum on the rear, on the back. And this one was the one that spoke to me. I do like gray, so had to pick this one up, check it out. Now it's got a titanium clip with a tungsten ball that I'm assuming when it goes into the pocket will slide in over the edge of your pocket here with little effort. Now I don't know for a fact, I haven't tried one of these out yet, but I will do a little video shot of it going in and out of the pocket and maybe do some commentary on how that works out for me. We have a titanium slider here, and they're calling that a thrust slider. Precision milled 6AL-4V titanium with a glowing insert here, and I don't remember what that was called. My apologies there. Hyperglow, glow-in-the-dark ring inlay. And the closed length is 4.95 inches or 126 millimeters. And we're going to go ahead and deploy the blade here and have a look at it. Now that was nice. So I wasn't a huge fan of the blade shape, but it's acceptable. I do typically like just a single edge blade. Mostly going to do utility stuff with this if I even use it very much at all. But for me, the single edge is nice. And it's got a little belly to it. They're calling this, I believe, a modified spear point. Very sharp, actually. So there it is. MagnaCut. Pretty snappy on the action. Fires out pretty solid. Pretty good on the blade play, I'd say. Better than most of the Microtechs I've had, if not all of them. Little stiff on the button, but not bad. It's got kind of a short throw here, which I like. But snappy on the blade. Let me tell you what. Seems to come out quicker than the Microtechs I have. Not a huge fan of this right here. You know, it's okay. It's not great. Personally, I would have liked to see that just flat across there. I don't need this little dong sticking up. It's going to serve me zero purpose. But some of you might like that for tying some little ornaments or something off there. Here's their logo here. Pretty cool knife. I'd say the size is actually pretty decent for my large medical glove hand here. Blade length on this guy is 3.25 inches or 82.6 millimeters. And approximate weight is 1.9 ounces or 53.9 grams. Let's see if I can make it fail here. Not yet. So far, so good. And for size comparison, we have a UTX 85 on the bottom, a Scarab 2 Gen 3 on the top, and quite literally my only $100 bill there for scale. After buying too many knives, $100 bills are few and far between, unfortunately. So there's the size comparison for you. Take a look at this guy. This is a fairly compact OTF here. This one here I'd say is one step bigger. Maybe something a little more in line with the Ultratech. Don't have my Ultratech out here to show you. So here they are. Line them up there with the edge. And here is the Scarab. Big beast. Let's get this guy out of here and put it somewhere real safe. There's the Scarab. And there it is. Your first little look here at the Prometheus Design Works Special Projects Division UFO. Move these out of the way here.